Tress Wellness Cyber Monday Sale Special Offer. Sale up to 50% off.
Why choose the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer? This awesome hard wax warmer kit has been featured on CBS News, ABC, NBC, and Cosmopolitan. These scented waxes are tough on hair whilst being soft on skin, make it perfect for sensitive areas such as Brazilian or underarm waxing. This set includes Wax Like a Pro Waxing Guide, which has useful tips for practicing estheticians. And yes, this Tress Wellness Wax Warmers has different designs to choose from. For only €54.92, you can enjoy waxing from the comfort of your own home. And wait! Tress Wellness is happy to announce that they already launched the new Bikini Wax Bits. It was a positive outcome and earned a bestseller badge on Amazon. The product is already been tested by some estheticians and received positive feedbacks. It is formulated for coarse hair, dermatologically tested and certified, fast melting and smooth application. Included in this kit is 1.2 pounds bag of specially formulated bikini hair removal wax and 12 application spatulas. Do not miss the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal for only €14. You will enjoy the waxing that is tough on hair but soft on skin. And wait, there's more! Tress Wellness has also launched these easy-to-clean silicone wax warmer bowls with 2 silicone spatulas compatible with the electric waxing kit. Gone are the days of the scraping sticky wax out of a metal tin. Simply allow the wax to harden in the silicone wax pot and bend the silicone to pop out the now hard wax disc, ready to be used in your next waxing session. It comes with 5 different color options to choose from: magenta, black, light pink, purple, and white. Don't miss its Cyber Monday sale for only €15.78. I already ordered mine and I can't wait for it. Order yours too, because here in Tress Wellness, everything you need for waxing.